Meet Kevin, the only dragon in the kingdom who was allergic to fire. Every time he tried to breathe flames, he let out a massive sneeze that accidentally set his own tail on fire, or launched sheep into the sky. The villagers didn't fear him. They hired him to light campfires and roast marshmallows. At a safe distance, of course. One day, a brave knight charged at Kevin, sword raised high. Kevin panicked, sneezed harder than ever, and accidentally blasted the knight into orbit. That knight is now a shooting star, and children wish on him every night. Kevin became a legend, not for burning down castles, but for having the most powerful sneeze in dragon history.